Hello my Bunny Shop babes! Welcome back to the Bunny Shop YouTube channel. Today I want to give you the top 10 reasons why you need to ditch your tampons and pads and switch over and start using a menstrual cup. For this video, we'll be using the Fun Cups from Fun Factory. They are my absolute favorite menstrual cups and they're also the top selling menstrual cup on bunnyshop.com. Make sure you wait till the end of the video where I will show you exactly the proper way to insert a menstrual cup safely, easily, and so that it is leak proof. If you're new to this channel, my name is Yoli V and I'm your host. Bunnyshop.com is a highly curated sex shop and we specialize in carrying products for their high quality, aesthetic, and safety. So before we begin, I'm gonna quickly unbox the Fun Factory menstrual cups for you so you can see the unboxing experience and see what's exactly inside the box. All right, so here's the box within the box. When you open it, as you can see, it comes with 2 menstrual cups and the antimicrobial carrier bag. So this Fun Cup box is the Explore Kit version. This is a great one to pick if you're not sure what size menstrual cup you need, as it comes in 2 sizes. The size A is a smaller cup. This one is great for menstrual cup beginners or for your lighter days. It's perfect for a teenager, anyone under 30, and if you have never given vaginal birth. The Explore Kit also comes with size B. Size B is a larger cup and this is great for your heavier days, for anyone over 30 and has given vaginal birth, or if you just feel a little bit more protected with a bigger cup that'll hold more blood. The kit also comes with this wonderful antimicrobial carrier bag. You can fit your menstrual cup right inside, and what I love about this bag is that it has a magnetic snap and it's really well made. It has like this little seal tight thing, so dust or dirt or whatever contents of your purse do not get inside, so it stays nice and clean and bacteria free. Now let's get right into it. The top 10 reasons why you need to start using a menstrual cup. Okay, reason number 1. It saves you money. One of the best things about using menstrual cups is all the money you will save. So the average cost of your box of pads and tampons is around $7 every month. If you multiply that by 12, you're looking at $84. Not to mention all of the other purchases that you have to make, the drive to the store and all of that, you're probably spending over $100 per year on menstrual products. The Fun Cup box is $39.99 on bunnyshop.com, and this one's really great because it does come with the 2 menstrual cups, it comes with the antimicrobial bag, and I'd much rather spend $40 and have it last me for several years than have to spend hundreds of dollars for the rest of my life. What's great about the Fun Cups is there's actually 3 different versions. The version that I'm showing you today is the Explore Kit, but it also comes in size A where both of the menstrual cups are size A's, or you could get it in a size B where both of your cups are size B. So save your coins, get a menstrual cup, and stop spending hundreds of dollars every year on menstrual products. Just makes sense. Okay, reason number 2, they're eco-friendly. So the Fun Cups are made out of body-safe medical-grade silicone. These can be easily washed or boiled and reused every single time. The average woman will throw away 14,000 tampons in her lifetime. When you take into account all of the plastic and all of the packaging and materials in that, that's 300 pounds of waste that you're contributing to our beautiful earth by not switching over. Menstrual cups are completely waste-free. Sure, they come in packaging when you first get them, but after that, this is it. And this can be recycled. Stop wasting. All right, reason number 3. They're healthier for your vagina. So as I mentioned, the Fun Cups are made out of the highest grade of medical grade silicone. So they are completely safe for your vagina and are hypoallergenic. These are much better for you than tampons, as tampons can contain chemicals that you're inserting and create micro tears in your vaginas from the fibrous cotton that you're sticking up there. What's great about these and why we sell menstrual cups in our sex shop is because you don't experience vaginal dryness when you use this. So if you want that wop, if you know what I mean, use a menstrual cup. Okay, reason number 4, it saves you time. So menstrual cups really do save you a ton of time. If you think about it, we've already mentioned about all the trips to the store that you'll be saving from not having to buy any menstrual products, but not only that, but all of the trips to the bathroom. With menstrual cups, you don't have to worry about it for 12 hours. So you can put it on in the morning and you don't have to worry about it for the rest of your day. You can go about your life. You can go to the bathroom without having to switch your menstrual products. Don't have to clean it out or wash it out until you come home. This is really great for busy people who want to get it all done without having to worry about leaks and changing their tampons or pads or any of that. So let's get into reason number 5. So the reason why we have menstrual cups on bunnyshop.com is because you can have sex on your period while using menstrual cups. Yes, you heard that right. You can have sex on your period while using a menstrual cup. Completely mess-free, and they're perfect for foreplay or any other sexual activity that you want to do. These are great. You can have sex on your period. Go do that. So while we do carry menstrual products that are specifically designed for intercourse, I have personally had sex while using the Fun Cup and my partner did not feel a thing. It was a completely comfortable experience for me. It might not be for everyone, so if you do want to check out our other menstrual products, there are some others that are specifically designed, but I personally love the Fun Cups and I have tried it and it was great. What's great about menstrual cups is also if you have a lighter day and you feel like you can have sex on your period without wearing one, you can pull it out. When you pull out a tampon, you feel dry because of the dryness of the cotton. You don't experience that with menstrual cups, so you can take it out and have period sex if you want without that icky drying feeling of a tampon. These are sexy. Menstrual cups are sexy. That's why we sell them on bunnyshop.com. All right, let's get into reason number 6. Never ask a stranger for a tampon again. I don't feel like I even have to explain this one. How awkward is it when you run out of your period products and you have to ask someone or a stranger, and you might meet some friends in the bathroom like that, but it's much better to always just have a menstrual cup on hand with you. You never have to ask anyone, and maybe their period product is not your preference. So that's what's great about always just having your menstrual cup in your purse when you need it and never needing to rush to the store and buy another tampon or period product because you ran out. Okay, reason number 7, stop worrying about leaking or spotting. So with a menstrual cup, they have these little holes on the edges of it, and that's when you insert it, that's what's going to create that air tightness that will prevent any leakage or spotting from happening. The cup looks pretty small, but it actually holds a lot of blood for 12 hours. So you can feel great about wearing those nice pair of pants or panties and not worrying about spotting or staining them. Which leads right into reason number 8, have better sleep. As mentioned before, because these last for 12 hours, you can sleep better at night knowing you're not going to stain your beautiful bed sheets or pajamas or make a mess or wake up to a mess. So have a better night's sleep knowing that you're protected with a menstrual cup. All right, reason number 9, get to know your body. So you really experience getting to know your body by having to insert the menstrual cup up yourself, which is great. Get familiar with what you have down there. It is part of you and it is absolutely beautiful. Using a menstrual cup will facilitate you getting to know yourself. So that is a great reason to own a menstrual cup. Lastly, reason number 10 for why you should switch over to a menstrual cup is you can stop worrying about toxic shock syndrome. So you've read the warnings on the tampon box about TSS and it is scary. I remember the first time I read it, I was like, what is this? It sounds scary. Toxic shock syndrome. Nobody wants that. So with menstrual cups, avoid that completely. All right, so those are the top 10 reasons why you should switch over and start using a menstrual cup. Now I will show you the 2 ways that you can insert your menstrual cup. So the first thing that I do is take it out of my antimicrobial bag. This is not mine, this is just for the example. And I personally do a C-fold for insertion. So I'll take it out of my bag and I'll run it under hot water to facilitate the insertion. You can also use a lubricant around the rim to help with inserting it. This is the one of my favorite water-based lubes, and it's called Sassy by Sliquid, also available on bunnyshop.com. And so you can add a little around the rim and make sure it's water-based lube, because a silicone lube might damage the silicone menstrual cup. So please be sure to use a water-based lubricant. I like to do a C-fold. With a C-fold, what you do is you just press down and fold it like the letter C. And it looks like this. So it was like this. Again, I push it in and fold like a letter C, and it becomes very thin. And this is, pretend this is a vagina, and then you would just insert it like so. And it gets very thin, so you don't have to worry about the size of it until it's up there. It'll pop open, and what you do from there, do you see this little nub here? You're going to twist that while it's in your vagina to lock it in and create the seal so that you don't have any spills, leaks, stains, etc. So again, fold it down, make a C shape, and push it in. Twist, and you're good to go. So the other way is a punch fold. To me, it's very similar. You just punch it down the middle and you insert it. All right, and to remove your menstrual cup, what I do is I just grab it from this goes all the way inside your vagina, by the way. But what you do is you stick your fingers inside and find the little curved nub on the menstrual cups, pinch it to break the seal that it has created so that you don't have any leaks, and you're gonna pinch it and like kind of twist it out. And that's it. You're gonna dump the contents of your blood right into the toilet, go to the sink or wherever you plan to wash your menstrual cup, and you can wash it and store it in your antimicrobial bag. Or if you're at home, you can also boil your menstrual cup in between uses so it can completely sterilize and clean your menstrual cup. So what I like to do is I like to wash it in the sink, store it in my antimicrobial bag, and then boil it in between uses. And that is the easiest way to remove and sanitize your menstrual cup. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email us at info@bunnyshop.com. We will provide the contact information down below, as well as the link to all of the products that you saw in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this from bunnyshop.com. Thanks. Ciao.